morning and a very happy Wednesday to every single one of you that is watching. It is, of course, Wednesday, hump day, not yet the weekend, but still not yet the beginning of the week. Well, you already know your girl, Miss Drew, is here to give you all that you need and more in entertainment and lifestyle news. So today, this is what I've got for you. We are talking about the brand new fashion app of its kind, first of its kind in Africa. Eno Barony wins the Best Female Rap Act, and of course, Twitter has a new 24-hour feature. Let's get into it. So, fashion has really been a big deal lately because so many things around us are changing. So I, yes me, got the chance to interview a creator who is changing the game and the industry as we know it right here in Ghana. Let's check it out. I've got a little bit of interesting news for you. You already know when it's hot, your girl has got you covered. Now, I know that you know, over the past few weeks in Ghana, we've had Fashion Week with different fashion shows, glitz, rhythms on the runway. Now, right now, I just got the news that there is going to be launching this Friday, actually, a brand new fashion app. Yes, fashion is now coming to our fingertips. And of course, there is no way, absolutely no way, that this can happen without me bringing in the person who is behind it all. Now, joining me today in the studio is the one we call Mr. Dapper Jaden. Now, please introduce yourself. Now, Jaden takes part in a lot of things. He's one of the creative directors with Glitz. He styles me sometimes. Affiliation with chocolate and so much more. The accolades go to you, my love.
Thank you.
So please tell all of your viewers a little bit about you, the ones who've been sleeping under a rock.
Right, so my name is Jaden, popularly known as One Dapper Jaden. I'm a content creator, an influencer, and also into events coordination. I work with Glitz Africa and then, more of like freelancing as well for top fashion brands.
There you go. So now tell us a little bit about this fashion app. Like, what is it about? What inspired it? Where did the idea even come from?
So this is the truth. So during lockdown, whilst like the world was going through so much trauma, God, I feel like God just hit us with this idea to, show the world what I've got to offer. So I was thinking of bringing something spectacular.
Right.
So these tech guys hit me up and said, yo, Jaden, you need to be known for something. We have an idea for an app.
Nice.
That is going to center around fashion.
Okay.
So, retailers, fashion designers can stock their clothes on, and then fashion buyers can just purchase from the app.
Oh, wow.
So it's the first of its kind. It
So
works with an artificial intelligence, just like the way Shazam works.
Okay. So give me an example. If you decided to meet me, you have the app, you took a picture of my dress.
And right away, I upload it on the app. I get details of the collection, the designer, the price.
Oh my goodness.
And then you can just, respond with your location, your number, and then that's it. It will be delivered right to you at your doorstep.
Look at that.
So I'm wearing Larry J today.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you have the app, so on Friday, we go viral. So when you take a photo of me or like of the shirt and you upload it right on there, you get all the details.
This is also good in terms of like copyright. Because you get some sort of maybe upcoming artists, designers that are making such amazing pieces. They haven't really got the recognition that they want.
The exposure.
And they should be able to post their things on there and people can't be stealing this. So now, again, from Fashion Week, we've realized that because not many designers could come in from abroad, we were definitely showcasing Ghana fashion. So many real Ghanaian designers, and it showcased the talent that we have in here. So are you collaborating with these artists or designers?
Literally, we're trying to stock as many clothes from designers locally onto the app. Already, we have about 50 designers, or already
On the app.
On the app. So
wow.
yeah, we can't wait to show the world what we've got to offer.
Lovely.
This is the first of its kind in Africa, and I'm excited about this.
So what's the name of the app? Give us
MK.
MK.
Simply means I'm okay. So I'm okay. I'm okay.
Wow, I'm okay.
Yeah.
I like
MK.
that. Okay, cool. So the launch is on Friday. Tell your viewers what we can expect and why they should be there, all of that good stuff.
Okay, so we're launching on Friday, the 20th of November at the Fitzgerald. For those of you that do not know the location of Fitzgerald, it's right opposite the National Film and Television Institute, NAFTI at Cantonment. So make your way there, tell a friend to tell a friend, to tell another, to tell another. Keep passing it on, to just come and support this great initiative. We're here to put Ghanaian fashion on the map and for the world to see what we've got to offer.
Amazing, amazing. And there you guys have it. The one and only One Dapper Jaden giving you all of that goodness. Your girl, Ms. Drew, closest to the most. If you didn't hear it from Ms. Drew, it ain't true. Yes, of course, there you have it. When it comes to exclusive first interviews, here at MX Breaks, we have always got you covered. Now, I know you guys remember Big Brother Nigeria. Well, Laycon is officially the brand ambassador of GOTV Nigeria. He announced the good news in an Instagram post, and we have got the video just here for you as per usual. So let's check it out. So exciting to see him doing some big things. I mean, Big Brother was only a few months ago, and already he is getting in those sponsorships, and I'm sure he is making the money. Now, moving on back to Ghana, Eno Barony has made Ghana proud. Yes, the young rapper is the only Ghanaian to have won an award at this year's African Music Magazine Awards and Music Festival, AFRIMMA. Winning the Best Female Rap Act is an accomplishment, actually, and I'm sure she is so proud of her win. Other winners included Mercy Chinwo for the Best Gospel Artiste, Nasty C, as the Best Rap Act, Jerusalem Song of the Year, among so many others. And so, as always, a big congratulations to everybody. Now, talking about awards, Ellen DeGeneres won the award for Best Daytime Show at the People's Choice Awards. Now, that comes as a surprise to many because over the summer, Ellen faced some heavy backlash over allegations that the Ellen Show is a very toxic work environment. Now, in accepting the award, she dedicated it to her staff, and the internet was not pleased. Several viewers were angry that despite all that she said by staff of the show, people still voted enough for the show to actually win an award. I mean, the people have chosen, the majority win. You can't fight that. I mean, you just have to disagree. Let's go to Twitter. Yeah, now Twitter has a brand new feature available worldwide. I mean, all of these apps are always just updating. I can't even keep up. Right now, Twitter has given us the ability to share a thought that expires after 24 hours. Now, it's not new, but it is, of course, new to Twitter. The pioneer of that has always been Snapchat, but Twitter is calling their version Fleets. We've got a little promo for you, so let's see what it's all about. Amazing, right? Well, very, very interesting. I don't even know what to think about it. I mean, first Snapchat started it, then Instagram came with theirs, Facebook's got theirs too. We need to be a little bit more original apps, but I guess, you know, they're jumping onto the wave, right? What do you guys think about it? It's available worldwide, so just update your Twitter, give it a try, and let me know what you think in our comment section. You already know what our Instagram is, MX24GH. So put it down there, hashtag MXBreaks, hashtag Ms. Drew, all that good stuff. And guys, do not forget, mark it in your diaries, mark it in your calendars, today, 5:30, your girl Miss Drew, Jason LA, and DJ Viruski are on MX Beats. We've got some good things, music, interviews, rap battles. You don't want to miss it. When you are watching, make sure you take a screenshot and tag us, right? And tag me. After that, guys, have a blessed day. Stay safe. Look after yourselves. And I'll see you same time, same place next week.